We've got some concerns on our relationship with our current vendor. Tell me more about that, right? Far too often, we jump in and we keep talking. We've got some concerns about our current vendor. Yeah, it's Acme. Everybody has concerns about Acme. Tell me about it. I heard 15 concerns about Acme last week. We try to be the smartest person in the world. Just slow down. Tell me more about that. Or how about this one? Write this one down. Why is that? Why is that? Again, you as a sales pro, if I've been coaching you every week, which I have been, you're super smart, you're brilliant. But you don't have to be the smartest person in the room. And even if you are, it's not about proving to that other side, that customer, that client, that you're so smart. It's about getting them to relive their pain. So even though you know that your reporting module solves this problem and every company in the world has this problem, might be a good idea, even though you already know the answer, to, tell me more about that. Why is that? Get them to walk them through it. Even though you already know the story, you've heard it 1,000 times, get them to walk you through it, okay?